how to find end portal in Minecraft. So basically what you need is Eye of Ender, and if you throw it, as you can see right here, it basically shows you where the direction of the stronghold or end portal is. So let's say I throw it here, as you can see, it will automatically go to that direction. So what you need to do is just basically follow that direction. So follow that direction until it just stops and goes backwards. So just going to follow it right here. So just find the ender pearl. So of course you could also pick up the ender again. So it just pops up right there. Let's throw it again. Just follow that direction. As you can see, you could always get that if you want. So of course I'm on creative, so it's unlimited, but for survival, this is limited. So just follow that direction until it just stops right there. So as you can see, it just goes here at the ground. So basically around here is the stronghold or the end portal. So let's say when I throw this right here, it goes backwards and just goes right there. So let's just go up and let's see if there's a specific location. So this basically right here. Throw it again. Now once you're here, let's just start digging. So we're going, when you dig, just make 2 blocks so that there's space in case you fall on lava, so you could see it and there's a safe space. Just keep digging 2 blocks. So after digging down for quite some time, I even went from like a lake right here. So I finally found a stronghold. So this is basically it. So when I go down right here, so let's just try some. As you can see, you're now on the stronghold. So just circle around this place until you find the end portal. So I think, yep, this is it. So once you're here, just basically need to fill all of these up with the Eye of Ender. Just like that. Once it's done, it will automatically make the end portal like that. As I basically find the end portal in Minecraft.